Hello friends, it's Miss Kristen with the Cambria County Library. Are you ready to read this story with me today? It's called Growing Vegetable Soup. Let's try signing a couple of those words together. The sign for vegetable is 2 fingers right by your cheek. Touch and touch. Vegetable. And the sign for soup is make a bowl with one hand and scoop with the other. Soup. Vegetable soup. That's very good. If you're ready for this story, clap your hands. Here we go. Growing vegetable soup. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. We are planting the seeds and all the sprouts and giving them water and waiting for the warm sun to make them grow and grow and grow into plants. We watch over them and weed until the vegetables are ready for us to pick or dig up and carry home. Then we wash them and cut them and put them in a pot of water and cook them into vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever, and we can grow it again next year. The end.